Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately with safety and a quick test. Wear gloves and ventilate the room. Apply a small amount of solvent to an inconspicuous patch so you can see how the surface reacts. Once the material passes the test, let the solvent dwell for 2 to 5 minutes to soften the glue. Make sure to keep pressure even. Use a plastic scraper at a low angle to lift softened residue. If flakes remain, repeat the solvent application rather than forceful scraping. Once the glue is softened, work in sections so you always have a treated area to scrape. Use a plastic scraper first to avoid marring. If the surface tolerates it, switch to a fine metal scraper carefully. Tilt it shallow and push. Do not pry. After each pass, wipe the area with a clean microfiber cloth dampened with solvent to remove loosened bits. Make sure to alternate scraping and wiping. That prevents readhering and shows progress clearly. To finish, remove all solvent and residue with warm soapy water and dry completely. This prevents lingering chemical damage. If a stubborn spot resists, apply solvent on a cloth and rub gently with a non-scratch pad, then rinse. Make sure to check the surface for dulling. If the finish looks off, test a small amount of appropriate polish or restorative product in a hidden spot before treating the whole area. If damage appears, stop and consult a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.